If you want to make text bigger in Photopea, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest and most precise way to increase text size while keeping it fully editable, so you can adjust it anytime without starting over. This is a really useful skill, whether you're designing thumbnails, social media graphics, banners, or simple text layouts. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick design tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open your project in Photopea and make sure the text you want to resize is already on the canvas. To change the size of your text, you'll need to select the Type tool. You can find it on the left toolbar, and it usually has a T icon. Click that Type tool to activate text editing. Now click directly on the text you want to make bigger. If needed, highlight the specific text or select the whole text layer depending on what you want to adjust. Once the text is active, look at the top options bar directly below the main menu. This is where Photopea shows all the editing controls for your selected text. In that top bar, find the size control next to the word size. This is the font size setting, and it gives you a precise way to make your text larger or smaller without rasterizing anything. If you want a quick visual adjustment, click the small downward arrow and drag the slider to the right. As you move it, your text will grow in size immediately, which is great when you want to see changes fast. If you want more accuracy, click directly inside the size value box. Then type in a specific number, like 150px, and press Enter on your keyboard. This is the best method if you want exact control over your design and need the text to match a certain layout or style. You can try different numbers until the text looks perfect for your project. After you've entered the size you want, look to the far right side of the top bar and click the checkmark icon to apply the change. This confirms the new font size and updates your text on the canvas. If the text still doesn't look right, you can repeat the process and fine-tune it again until it fits exactly how you want. And that's it. You've now made text bigger in Photopea using the font size control while keeping it editable. This method is clean, flexible, and perfect for quick design edits. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more Photopea tips, tutorials, and easy design walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.